It make problem. Or if you go over Raja, or if you go over Switzerland, or if you go over this, so we are give them for. You think me to still give Switzerland a lion? Hey, girl, you got man. Yo, you give Rebel wheel. Yo, where are you? Tell me out.
Yeah, man, I don't know if I ever Benz get to the people them or yo, Richie feelings ever talk some facts, and him there to speak about Able them, you see it, and him say, yo, the woman I know where she get into, you see it, and Able boss I know what I go do to the woman and thing. But I must say, yo, right now, Able know say no need the woman, you see it, and I jealousy the lady have come out and I expose Able boss certain way. So yo, if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload, you see it. And yo, I have nothing much to say about this now, for the whole of them they on TikTok and I trick them one another like I get real gift on them something and I top ranking all kind of something. Yo, we'll just forward now video. Just leave in the thoughts in the comment section, yeah, man.
The youth named Able Boss. Them a beat him. Me know him. Me have him as a cool youth. Me and him not a problem. Me and have no problem with nobody on the internet. Me not a problem with that youth, you see? And again, me's not a wagonist where jump on pan wagon. Me not jump on pan wagon. That's why me just, when me see the somebody something them a go on, I leave them alone. See? Because we don't need to talk about it when everybody don't talk about it. We have different things where we can talk about. Like you see, we find different things to talk about. But it's a topic where I go on and them are in grounds out and this and that and him that and him that. Now, there's a lot of people, especially females, they are on the internet searching for love. All they do is work and be home on the internet. Work, home on the internet. Some of them, the government pays them. Some live in America, some live in Canada, some of them live in England. Right? Some of them are over 50, some of them are 60, some of them in them late 40s. Yes, some of them were married from they were in their 20s and them just get a divorce. Right? So now, this TikTok thing come out. And when me see some people, I'm telling you something, bad mind easy catch. Easy to catch. If you want to test how strong is your faith, go over TikTok when them a play a match. Look at who get lion, look who get tiger, look who get whale, look who get shark. And the calculation, when you do it in your head, and them say a lion after this, and a lion after that, and a whale after this, and a shark after that. And the easiest way that, because you have some people can't count, but them can check. Right? So them a check up in them brain, and I say, then 2 lion, there's a 6 lion, there's a 7 lion, there's a bumbo clad, then we meet their work, I do. Right away, bad mind kick in, because you are waiting for 5 o'clock for clock out, and you clock in 8 o'clock in the morning, so 8 to 5 or 9 to 5. So you are clock in, and a clock out, while some people just sit down for one chair like this, so, and I say, come on guys, my rent one pay, come on guys, come on, tap up the screen, tap up the screen, tap up the screen. Strong one. Tap up the screen, while we there in a office and dine. Sometimes we can't even find bus fare, sometimes we can't even find lunch. Sometimes a DigiLoan we use and take the ride. Just pick up on the people in business fear. Come on guys, come on guys, come on guys, come on guys. Come on guys. Tap up the screen, tap up the screen, tap up the screen, tap up the screen. And you hear people say I work, them I work. Then you have some gullible people where they are foreign and say, I like. See? So now, when me go sabam now, and go over there, I hear, come on guys, tap up the screen, tap up the screen, tap up the screen. What I do, I'm going to make him win me. When I make him win me, come on guys. Me see people are bring down them one another over there, talk about who smell bad, who stink, who frozy, who for crotch is big. Me see all kind of things. I remember all of these people are supposed to be friends. So now, me hear about something when them gifters. Remember, me don't know about TikTok. I just listen when I go up on YouTube, because I don't go up on nobody TikTok. Over YouTube, me go. See? When me hear say one of the TikToker them birthday come, and the amount of money, somebody count up the money, and me hear say that person they make how much million. But let me tell you, say, who start the whole of that something here with the money making thing? It was Brittany. Brittany came on the internet and Instagram. And when Brittany come on, Brittany say, she make this money and them thief for 7,000 or 8,000 US, something like that she did have in some account. And them lock it down and she ball, roy, murder. Everybody and Brittany was friend. Every single body and Brittany was friend. They run in Panara and go on like them love her. That's why I'm telling you, say, the root of money is not evil. Money not evil. Money show your people true intention and them true colors. When that girl came on social media, she ball. Everybody asks her, oh, if you go and them friend her and console her and love her. You see, none of them are playing a match with Britney now. You see, none of them are deal up with Britney now. None of them are deal up with Britney. Everybody does have Britney, a beat her, thump her, chop her, kick her, spit pan her. You understand? Pretty lax, anybody can start from me anyway. That's one thing. Mount of things what them say about me. But none of them, let me tell you something when they understand me. I don't go over this a trace with nobody. I don't go over TikTok a trace with nobody. I have too much time. I'm busy. So when them see me, them not going to say nothing to me. I tell them what thing them going to do is make up them face. Only thing them going to do is make up them face. But them not going to confront me none at all. Because everybody bad on social media. I remember say again, you can report people page and get it black and all of them something there. I don't have that the time there. I don't know if you create page, I don't know if you do none of them something there. Or build fake page for go watch people. I'm very busy. You understand? I remember when you know this, I never come on for live yet and I beg nobody nothing. All when I broke and have it, I never come on and I beg nobody anything. You know what I mean? So what I say now is this TikTok thing that they gonna go on. You say no two friends are really over there. Nobody and a friend over there because everybody kick off with everybody. So even when matcha keep, it's like a bit pretenders are going. So the gifters now, which are the gullible people, the top gifters and whatever. So now, remember Abel was a youth that tell us say, him have a plan, him come from down a one place, and Abel goes to man. Him have a plan because he know if he hustle and he know if he survive. Him friend everybody and him and everybody good. So him goes to man and get close with a gifter. And the gifter get close to him, and the gifter start like him. So right away now, she start break bread with him, and the bread sweet him. She give him razor bread, she give him Jack's bread, she give him national bread, she give him R2-beat bread, she give him the little meatloaf bread them, she give him cocoa bread, she give him all of the bread them. So the bread starts sweet him. So now, him no want nobody else get the bread. Not even biscuit him no want them get because him know how kind she is and how gullible she is. Him just say, listen to me, I'm a woman, you know. I'm here for 1,700,000. Say, oh my God, I haven't been a while. Right away, the pum pum start jump. Because again, she's home in England on live, watching these matches, and say, oh my God, I gotta give him. He makes me laugh. He keeps me so entertained. I love Abel. Oh my God, Abel. Oh my God, I must say, yeah, baby. Remember, she see him live. She see him having baby mother. She see him having youth. This is a young boy who could have been her son because she have 50 and him have blood breach 30 good. You understand? I remember him realize him no want the bread escape, so him just say, I'm a woman. Right away now, she get used to that. Him talk to her on the phone a couple times. So again, him sees the moment and say, listen, me have a situation, me have piling on my body. Because again, he want to keep her so close. Remember, all of this was behind closed doors. Nobody on the internet knew about this. Nobody knew about this. Now him start up front with a woman. She getting her feelings because she no see Nora returns from her money where she has sent come her partner where she has show. Because she has show her own Robin and fear night no come yet. She has show her partner and her partner come. You understand? I'm telling you, when you name Family 24, a long time I not come over here. I have about 4 suck your mother. Figure out. Don't get none of them. Do me, I beg you. Just listen and move on. Don't bother comment and try out for me right now. I'm in a very good mood. I don't know you. You don't know me. You only see me on the internet. Don't make me real laugh to the suck your mother them and give you. A four me have, and them strong. Cause remember, me just don't eat shrimp and string bean. And this morning, I drink Irish mash. I remember I'm drinking Lifespan water wisely. Choose your battles wisely. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. So now, everything defined and done with the gifter and able. Right? Everything defined with the gifter and able until able tell her say, him have a girl a breed. You see, once she heard that him have a girl a breed and she no get fair dry yet and him gone breed girl, oh my God. Because again, you know, him not innocent in this neither, you know. Him not innocent in this either. Because again, I find a feeding tree, so him send her him. Oh my God, I like that size. I like that size. Whoa. When the woman goes up and decides that she going to leave him alone, it make problem. I know, milk she give me, you know. Remember, Benz him a drive, you know. Benz him a drive. You know what it is like to maintain a Benz? So, remember, I did tell her, say, I love her and them going to link up. Let me tell you this about a big woman from England. Let me tell you about enough of the big woman from England. I'm going to listen this and listen this good. And this is no knock and none of them. You have some good woman there in England. You have very, very good woman in England where them have some pure art. One problem them fall easy over the internet. When them come to Jamaica, they're not going to come for 1 week. They're coming for a month or 3. You notice when Queenie come to Jamaica, she never spend 1 week. Queenie come here for 3 months. Because again, you can't buy an expensive ticket and just come for 1 week. So unless you have a business and come down for a family emergency. When England people are come on vacation, at 2 months, they come to Jamaica for. 3 months, they come to Jamaica for. So again, him and her did do all of these planning. She said, Abel will be her life partner. Abel want the woman, because the woman going not good looking or nothing. So him just think about the woman pocket. Remember, I hear one part say where the woman say her family, our wait name, then people still tell her every send money come. So again, she should have catch on upon that. See? But again, she love him for she fall in love with him so. So leave her love and joy from the young cat boy and ball out. Because when able to see her in ball out, it was love at first sight. When I saw you on TikTok last night, and I knew from this moment, and your heart and goosebumps came all over me. When I look at your tapping tap it, come on guys, I'm ball out, come on guys, tap the screen. Every day the woman, I need your name and number and where you reside. Woman, oh, he's so cute, he's so nice. He wants my number. Oh, I'm all over him.
No.
My name is Abel Boss, and this is what I am. I'm going to eat, and the woman love him. I'm singing him wine, and him go on, and the woman say, oh my God. 10 lion, the woman send him. The woman doesn't send him lion and go, so be a lion. Be a lion. Remember, I see him in our apartment, why you B&B. Right? Why you B&B and him in there, him go on, and him the woman there. Because remember, again, it's a different time zone. 6 hour, 7 hour different time zone. So again, when I'm on in Jamaica, afternoon or evening. You understand? So again, most of the time, match a play in a night. So she up. So by the time he able to come off alive, him talk to her a little bit. Him interested in her pocket, but him down. I'm looking baby mother and him nice son him have. And him baby mother cuss and go on and she say, I'm a baby father. Him say, I'm a baby mother. Him out of Jamaica. Because remember the youth young, you know. Remember young youth, this, you know, young and dumb and full of coming, but him smart, kind of Benz, and him say, man, I need a Benz. And one thing me can tell you, no found over TikTok, you know, in a sense. Don't show too much. No care what no get to enough for sure. Some of you need to be like Rose instead of cuss Rose. Because remember, to me, Rose not have nothing. But a true Rose not show what she have to the world. Because she learn. Rose not even buy a bicycle. Rose just sit down in the chair and say me that work. Work, me a work. Whoa. Come on, guys. Me there, I look it. Me hungry, not now go on. Whoa, yeah, that's how Rose go to work. While everybody are buy this a car, yeah, that the car, that this, that. Everybody are moving a new house. Everybody have on Rolex. While Rose just goes over and say, I'm going to do me here. I'm barely do a here one day. I'm buy 2 clothes, have a sheen. I say, no come stop me. Me not have it. Me I look it. Rose not show nothing. I remember Rose a top ranker over there. Rose a top ranker over there. Rose a the hungry one where show like she had dead for hungry every day and have nothing. While everybody blinging out, when I show them how much car, I show them how much watch, I show money, Louis Vuitton, this and Louis Vuitton, that. Be a rich broke people over there. Be a rich broke people. See? So you don't know, every basket rich, you know, coming by my rich sugar mama, you know. Rich sugar mama. And one come now with the woman come show the woman because him and the woman there they are going and I go on and able to say I want your next baby mother me have you know I want to know is me. My name can't change. Able boss, one able boss. And go say mama come here, let me talk to you. Now me have something to tell you. And the woman say, what do you want to tell me, babe? Babe, what you want to tell me, babe? I know it's gonna be on the media, so I'm gonna make sure to tell you first. You know, I got somebody pregnant. My girl is pregnant. So what? Are you having a laugh? Or you taking the piss? I know man gonna get a big British voice. Or you taking the piss? Or you taking the piss? You having a make? You having a laugh, yeah? No man, I don't focus about my cloth and them something there, you know. Or you having a laugh? You're taking the mic. That's what you're doing, yeah? Mama cool, man, and I saw it go. You don't know. Me and I do something and you don't know. It's a mistake. I tell woman all kind of thing. Woman say, yeah? Done with you. No more gifting from me. And I need back all my things that I give you. I need back all my money. Man, so what you mean, mama? What you mean, mama? Where I talk about? The woman talk, I'm going to bring it to social media. I'm going to bring it to everywhere. I'm going to tell Roger. I'm going to tell everybody that you tell me not to give them nothing. You tell me not to beg them nothing, not to give them not to do nothing. I'm telling myself, Mama, don't do it. Don't do it, Mama, please. I'm begging you. And she said, everything I gave you, even that call you. And she got on in the Yankee and the British and the every accent. She got in her Dubai accent. Everything she got in that. So now, she got to Raja first. Then she got to the rest of people. Abel rang her strong. Right? Abel rang her strong. We know Abel no rabbi. But Abel try use... Me not even know the picture there. I not even know that. So again, that's the bitterness of when a person don't get what them want. Youth. Not found it up on my page. I want to watch me. I know bad mind, you know. When me see one of the things and talks, I want to learn to roll out. Not because you can afford a Benz, that means if you run, go buy a Benz. Sometimes you have to buy a little Tida. Sometimes you have to buy a Nissan. Sometimes you have to buy a little Honda and go and take it easy. See if you do something else. Because again, these vehicles are high maintenance. You drive a vehicle